Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I am so excited to be vlogging again. My skin is looking as clear as it has in like 4 years, so we're excited. It's gonna be a good vlog. It's gonna be a good day. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, there's people downstairs working, so I hope you can't hear that, but we're gonna start the vlog on a high note, okay? I've been doing some online shopping for spring. Tyler and I went on vacation and we came back and I was like, okay, winter is not a thing. Spring and summer are here. I am only shopping for spring and summer, but it's still cold in St. Louis. I'm gonna be set up with all the cute spring and summer clothes once this weather gets warmer. So let me show you what I got on Amazon. The first one I got is this blue off the shoulder, and I'll try these all on and like show you how I want to style them in a second. I love this color. I think it's so cute. I am so here for literally anything off the shoulder. I will say this is the only one that I would have changed my size on. I got this in a small and I think I could have easily sized up to a medium because like this elastic that's on my shoulders is just a little too tight. But I want to go back and order this in more colors because it is so good. It's not see-through at all. I really love this blue color. Tube tops are having a moment and I'm so here for them. I love a good tube top. I got this cute maroon one because I don't have a lot of color, so I'm trying to put more color into my wardrobe. But it just has like this ruching detail right there. It also comes in black and white, and I think I want it in both colors. The white might be a little see-through because they're definitely not like the thickest. This one is ribbed, but I just don't see the white being very opaque. I saw this top on Instagram from Orson Iris and absolutely fell in love with it, but it was like $200, like over $200, and I can't justify spending that kind of money on a top like this where I might wear it 3 times and then I'm sick of it. But it is this like mesh white off the shoulder top with like the ruching bralette top. So this is all see-through and this is all see-through and the sleeves are see-through, but then this part is like covered. It's almost like, it gives me like mermaid, Little Mermaid bra vibes. And I think I got it for like $11, but low-key I think that they went back and upped the prices because I'm sure I'm not the only person to realize what a great dupe this is. And now it's like 20 bucks, but still $20 versus $200, you just can't beat it. Oh, I have some other very fun and exciting things to show you that have come in the mail recently. My newest obsession has been the RealReal. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have become obsessed with sustainable secondhand fashion, and anything that I can get secondhand, I will. I truly, truly love it. It makes me feel good. 1, because your girl likes a deal, and 2, because it's just better for the planet. It's more sustainable. I love that the RealReal tells me like how much water and stuff I'm saving from this purchase, because then I'm like, yes, obviously, then I have to buy it. So let me show you the things that I got from the RealReal. Let me set you down. Excuse my terrible, ugly outfit. I'm not ready yet, okay? I got 3 things from the RealReal and I have been waiting to like take them out of the dust bags and put them on display where they deserve to be because I wanted to show you guys. Okay, first one, guys. Do you want a hint? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. Oh my God, guys, I cannot believe it. Like I said, I'm trying to add more color into my wardrobe. Let me move you because this light is not okay. These are gorgeous. They have a little bit of a shorter heel, which I like because if we're gonna be honest, I'm not walking around in heels regularly, and when I do, I kind of walk like a baby deer if they're too tall because I don't wear heels that often. I started sizing up in all of my pointed toe shoes at least 1 size, so I believe these are a 39, and I think I'm technically a 38. Look at them, guys. I cannot believe that these are mine. Number 2. Do you guys see that? Look at these freaking shoes. My 1 pair of black pointed toe heels that I have are so small and I wore them to dinner not that long ago, and I was like, oh my god, these do not fit. I cannot wear these. They're so uncomfortable. Like, I had to keep taking them off under the table at dinner because they were hurting my feet so bad. I headed to the RealReal and I found these Miu Miu babies. They're a little bit of a taller heel, but not too tall. I'll be able to walk in these. These will be fine. These are also a 39. They're just like these black suede. I just think they're great. They're such a great classic. They'll go with so many things. And now I can finally get rid of my super duper uncomfy other ones. I cannot believe it, guys. They truly, truly, truly bring me so much joy. I think I could just sit here and stare at these shoes in my closet and I'd be happy forever. Last but certainly not least, I have been on the hunt for the perfect pair of silver metallic pumps. We all know that silver metallic has been so in. Oh my god! These are so perfect. They fit me like a glove. They are perfect. I love the little cross detail on the front of them. I think it just gives it a little bit, and they're freaking Celine. They're Celine. It just makes me so happy. I'm a Taurus, okay? We're very into the material things. We like the luxury things. The RealReal was having like a 48-hour sale and these were on like super sale, so obviously I picked them up. Buying them secondhand and giving them like a second life, getting a good deal on them, being sustainable, it adds so much joy to the purchase. I don't think I would get nearly as much joy buying these brand new. I think I would have like a panic attack because of the price tag and just the fear of screwing them up. But let's go plan some outfits for this shoot today before I get ready. And then I also want to show you how I want to style those Amazon tops because they are so good. Okay. So this is the first top, the cute little off the shoulder moment. I think I want to try to style them with these babies. I have this vintage belt that I thrifted that I have been so obsessed with. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I think this is so cute. I love these pants. They're also thrifted. The shoes are so good, guys. Okay, so this is the top. Tell me how perfect it is. I'm living for an asymmetrical moment right now. Let's accessorize it. I got these brown mules off of Poshmark and I am way too obsessed with them. I have another chain belt, this gold one that I love. I think just that little detail honestly does a lot. And then I have this scarf, which I think is supposed to be a top, but I want to wear it as like, as actually a scarf. I was gonna put it in my hair, but I think it might be cuter as a scarf. Okay, wait, you're kidding. Do we like it as a scarf or do we try it in the hair? Like, okay, this is cute too. I kind of think the neck scarf is cuter. It just looks like a lot. Like it's a little out of my comfort zone, but I've been trying to get out of my comfort zone. So let me know which one you guys like more. Look at this top, guys. I am so obsessed with it. I don't know how many times I can be obsessed with pieces, but I am obsessed. I ordered these pants off of Princess Polly last year and I definitely did not get enough use out of them. I love the look of a baggy pant with a pointed toe shoe. I feel like it just like tapers your legs so that you don't look like you have this gigantic mass on the bottom. So cute. I love these little pointed white shoes. They're from Zara. They have a little flower on them. Tell me they're not perfect for spring. So cute. I love this little corset. I've honestly had it for so long and I just like rediscovered it in my closet. So we'll change from the white shoes to just these tan pumps. They're from Nine West. First of all, it's so good, just as is. I had an idea of a way to spice this outfit up a little bit. I want to add this bucket hat. Do we flip it up? I think definitely flipped up. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god. Okay, the outfits are decided and now we just have to actually get ready to shoot. So let's get ready. Okay, I just took a shower and now we're gonna start getting ready. Ignore the trash can. I wanna thank the sponsor of today's video, Merit, for sending me over some products to test out to show you guys today. And I'm gonna go in with this product. It's called The Minimalist. It is their Perfecting Complexion Stick, and it's supposed to replace both your foundation and your concealer, and today I'm definitely feeling lighter makeup. My skin has been great lately, so I don't really want to pack on a bunch of product. I got the shade Dune. We're gonna test it out. I'm just putting it over any spots that have redness. All of my blemishes have pretty much gone away, and now we are just waiting on the little leftover spots, and I'm so happy. I just never thought this day would come, so it's very exciting. Okay, that shade match was literally perfect, and I am obsessed with this product, guys. It feels so lightweight on my skin. Like, I don't have a ton of makeup on, but it really did an amazing job at evening my skin tone and covering up that little bit of redness that I had. I have been a fan of Merit's products for a while now. I use their tinted lip oil on a regular basis. I love that Merit is non-comedogenic. They're certified clean at Sephora, which is like how I filter all of my makeup products now. Lastly, I'm gonna do my lips. This is the signature lip from Merit. The packaging is absolutely stunning. I got this in the shade Baby. I love this shade so much. I feel like it is that great, like, My Lips but better shade. All orders over 40 ship for free, and right now they're running a special where if it's your first Merit order, you get their signature bag for free. It looks like this. I think it's so cute. I honestly wanna like use it as a purse. Thank you so much to Merit for sponsoring this video. You can shop Merit with the link in my description. Okay, I am done getting ready. This is the hair that I decided on for this shirt. I think it's so cute. I've been loving my short hair. I have this giant Baze Weekender bag. Let me set you down. I have this giant bag from Baze. It holds so much stuff. I have all the little different pieces of the outfits here. I'll take a little case that has all of my makeup. So I'll keep my touch-up makeup in here, like my lipstick, my lip liner, my mascara, a powder brush, chapstick, that kind of stuff. I'll also pack hairspray and a brush. I'm gonna bring this mirror with me since my other one broke. I just feel like bringing a mirror in the car is key because that little tiny mirror on the visor does not work. It has this lower compartment so that I can put all my shoes in there without them getting everything dirty. So my bag is packed. So another thing I'll do for my photo shoots is I'll have a shot list, and I will list out every single outfit that I'm shooting, including any accessories, props, whatever. And then under that, I will have what shots I want to get specifically, what kind of content, long form, short form, whatever, photo, obviously. So that way, when I'm in the moment and Tyler or whoever is shooting, we don't have to keep thinking like, okay, what am I forgetting? What do I still need to do? I can just be in the moment, get the pictures, stay organized. It makes everything a lot easier. I am not going to bring you guys along on the shoot because it's just gonna get way too hectic. We're gonna have way too many cameras going. We already have to use the big camera and my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.